Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify identity and address on Google AdSense. Now to verify your identity, all you have to do is go to the payment section and then click on verification check. If your verification is pending, then it will say it is pending and click here or something like that. So as you can see, my verification identity and address verification has been completed. And how it's done, it is very simple. Simply click on the button in front of that option, click on that, and then it will take you to a new page where it will ask you for your ID card, your passport, or your driving license. You can upload any verification document of your choice. For instance, if you opt to choose your driving license, then what you have to do, you have to take a picture of the front of your driving license and back of your driving license and upload it to the Google AdSense. Once you have completed the identity verification, now it's time for your address verification, where you have to input your home address. And then what will happen, Google itself will send you a mail to your home address, and you will receive your mail within 1 to 3 months. It depends upon the country in which you live in, and it will look like this. Once you receive your PIN code, what you have to do, go to this section and click on address verification. In the next page, you will be able to see that Google is asking for a PIN code. All you have to do is input or paste that exact SIM code that you have received in your mail address and simply paste that code on the section, and you have successfully completed identity verification and address verification on Google AdSense, just like me. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.